So, as you know, in the last lesson we did yes, no questions,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Because, for example, here we have normal statement. Our verb is at second position. When we make question, then we just replace our verb and we start sentence with verb. That becomes our yes, no question. We can answer with ja or nay. We have also comma that we need to add when we want to answer yes, no question. And for negation, we also add in te. And there was small exercise that we solved for yes, no questions. That was for short answers. These are our fixed expression that your, and then we write here subject, and here we add only that something is yes or no. That depends upon the question. So if we move toward exercise, yeah, here we have exercise. Have you tried this exercise?
No, actually not.
We can do right now. Can you help me to answer this question? We can solve this question in two ways. Either you can give a short answer or just a normal answer. Okay. So, are you gammon means are you old? So I can solve this one at first, then you can solve this one. Yeah, are gammon. Yes, I am old. And if I want to answer this question with, you can say with short answer. So I would write, yeah, that's your yuck. Yes, I am. This is a short answer. Why this is short? Because I'm not using here my verb. This is my verb. I'm using here. So here I don't use this one. That's why this is my short answer. And you can also reply short answer with negative. Here I write that your young in they. No, I am not. That means I'm not old. Next one is are too long means are you tall. So let's suppose I want to answer this question in yes. So what should I write? It depends upon you. Either you want to give a short answer here or long.
Nee, dit your jag inte.
Yeah. We start with this one. Yeah, that your young. Yes, I am. Yes, I am tall. The next one is are you stork? Are you strong?
Ja, dit your jag. Your jag.
That your young. Yes, I am. If you want to write a normal statement, that becomes yeah, young or strong. Yes, I am strong. Okay.
Yeah.
And the next one we have are you snäll? Are you kind?
Ja, dit your jag.
That we can do in negation. Nay, that.
Dit jag. No, dit your jag inte.
You can also write like this. Nay, jag or inte snäll. As we know, we add negation after verb. This is our verb. So this is a fixed expression. That's why I'm writing here negation at the end, This is a fixed expression that your plus subject. Okay.
Okay.
The next one is are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Nee, jag inte
hungry. Jag inte hungry. No, I'm not hungry. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one is are you dumb? Means are you stupid? Nej, jag inte dum. No, I'm not stupid.
So we don't have to use the fixed expression. We can use this also, right?
Yeah. That's we discussed in the last lesson also. It's not compulsion. That is option.
Okay.
You should, if you know both ways, it's good for you. But you can use the simple one. Are you glad? Nej, jag inte glad. No, I'm not happy. Jag sin means I'm sad. Are you fetish? Are you poor? Nej, jag inte fattig. No, I'm not poor. Jag rich. You can also add further if you want. No, I'm rich.
Yeah.
So these are a few examples from the last lesson.